Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ramon Allones number 3. This is a box of 10. As we said before in previous videos, this is EMS selection. This was purchased here in the UK. And this box is from April 2024. So pretty fresh. This cigar is the latest addition to the Ramon Allones lineup. This cigar is 52 ring gauge in diameter and 6 6/8 in length. So open them up. You've got the Hunters and Francois notice and the standard Habanos. Now this is a box of 10. As you can see, there's only 9 here. I had to try one because I never tried before and I was literally blown away. And like I said, the Ramon Allones never failed to impress. Just incredible. You've got the triple cap. This is a long filler cigar and just magnificent. I think that Ramon Allones, as I've mentioned previously in my videos, are a brand which focus more on quality rather than quantity. Currently in their lineup they only have the small club Corona, they have the specially selected, they have the number 3s, and they have the Gigantes. They don't have any other ones in their lineup, obviously besides for the regional editions here and there, like the Mexico regional edition and stuff like that. But on the whole, these are cigars that whenever you have a Ramon Allones, you know for a fact that what you're going to have is quality and it's going to be an enjoyable smoke. Ramon Allones, especially selected, is my favorite brand. I can't say the same for the number 3s. I find them a bit too strong. They're full bodied, but I think nonetheless that they are great cigars and cigars that will age well with time. Again, these are quite a recent release, so we don't know how they will perform once aged, but I've had some Ramon Allones specially selected which have been aged nicely, so I'm sure that the same will be for these cigars. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.